What's up, everyone? So if dinner planning has started to feel like a daily headache, HelloFresh and Factor are two of the easiest ways to fix that. You just need to pick which style actually fits your life. Now, HelloFresh is the one where you still cook, but they handle the planning and shopping, so you're basically just following a simple recipe with everything already measured out. And Factor is the opposite. It's fully cooked meals that live in your fridge, and you just heat them up in a couple of minutes when you're ready to eat. So in this video, I'll walk you through what both are like day to day, how the pricing usually plays out once you pick a plan, and who each one makes the most sense for. Now, starting with HelloFresh, you're still getting a real cooking experience. You're just cutting out the parts that usually make weeknight dinners feel like a chore. So instead of planning meals and running to the store, you open the app, you pick what you want for the week, choose your servings, and you're done. And the nice part is, you keep full control the whole time. So if you want quicker meals one week, more comfort style meals the next, or just a mix of whatever looks good, you can swap things around without it turning into a whole project. They'll suggest options based on what you like, but you're never locked into anything. Now, when the box arrives, it's basically set up to be easy. Everything is pre-measured, the steps are simple to follow, and it makes cooking feel a lot more straightforward, even if you're not someone who normally loves being in the kitchen. And because you're using the exact amounts, it can also help cut down on food waste. Now, flexibility is another big plus. You can skip weeks, pause when life gets busy, or cancel if you don't need it anymore, so it fits your schedule instead of the other way around. So overall, HelloFresh makes the most sense if you want home-cooked meals. You just want the planning and the shopping handled for you, and you like the idea of building a little more confidence in the kitchen over time. Now with Factor, the whole idea is that cooking is basically optional, so it's a really good fit for weeks where you're busy, tired, or you just want something that feels automatic. So the routine is simple. You go in, you pick your meals for the week, and the menu is organized by goals and preferences like higher protein, lower carb, calorie smart, and plant-based. And you're not stuck choosing just one style. You can mix and match based on what you actually want that week. And when the box shows up, everything is already cooked in individual trays. You put them straight in the fridge, and you basically have a lineup of meals ready whenever you need them, which makes it a lot easier to avoid takeout on nights where you don't feel like cooking. Now, the day-to-day difference is pretty clear. With HelloFresh, you cook. With Factor, you're heating and eating. Most meals are ready in about 2 minutes in the microwave, and if you do prefer the oven, you can do that. It just takes a bit longer. And since they're meant to last through the week, it feels a lot like having meal prep already handled for you. Now let's talk pricing, because this is usually where the choice gets a lot clearer, since HelloFresh is mostly paying for ingredients and convenience, and Factor is mostly paying for time. So with HelloFresh, your total depends on two things: how many recipes you pick each week and how many servings you want per recipe. And in general, bigger boxes bring the per serving cost down a bit. A typical 2-person box with 2 meals is usually about $54 for the food, and then shipping is about $11. So you're looking at roughly $65 before tax. And if you bump that up to 3 or 4 meals for the week, you're usually closer to about $90 or $80 to $110 once you include shipping, depending on what you pick. Now, the main thing to watch with HelloFresh is premium meals, because if you pick steak or certain seafood, you can see an extra charge, usually around $4 to $10 more per serving, depending on the recipe. So that's what can push the weekly total up faster than you expect. And with Factor, the pricing is more straightforward. You're paying per prepared meals, and it gets cheaper per meal as you order more. So on the low end, 6 meals is usually around $15.50 each, which comes out to about $93, and then shipping is usually $11 to $14. So you're roughly at $95 to $100 for the week before tax. And then if you are doing something like 10 meals at around $140, plus you add in the shipping, so call it around $153 total before tax. So overall, HelloFresh usually makes more sense for value if you're feeding more than one person and you don't mind cooking. And Factor makes more sense when your main goal is having a solid meal ready with basically zero effort. And if you want to give HelloFresh or Factor 75 a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we may earn a small commission, which helps support the channel. And sometimes there are special discounts available that you're not going to find by going directly through their website. Now let's get into features, because this is where HelloFresh and Factor start to feel like two totally different products. So with HelloFresh, the biggest thing is you're still cooking. It just feels a little more guided. The recipes are laid out in a simple way. The ingredients are portioned out, and that makes it easier to get a good result without needing a ton of confidence. And over time, that's a huge plus, because you naturally get better at the basics like timing, seasoning, and putting together a full meal. And you also get a lot of variety week to week, plus some customization depending on the meal, like swapping proteins, upgrading certain ingredients, or adding extra sides. Now, on top of that, the add-ons can be really useful because you can throw in breakfast, quick lunches, snacks, desserts, or extra proteins, and it helps cover those gaps without doing another grocery run. And while meal kits do come with packaging, they usually make it pretty clear what to recycle and how to handle everything, which helps keep the routine cleaner. Now with Factor, the feature set is all about consistency and convenience. The meals are already done for you, but they still feel like real food, not a frozen dinner situation. And because the menu is organized around different goals like higher protein, lower carbs, and calorie-smart options, it's easier to stay on track without planning your whole week. You also get solid nutrition transparency before you choose your meals, and since everything is single serving, portions stay simple and predictable. And their add-ons lean more into the ready-to-go side, like breakfast, smoothies, juices, and extra cooked protein, so it can cover more than just dinner. So overall, HelloFresh is better when you want to cook with less friction and more variety, and Factor is better when you want a reliable meal ready in minutes with almost no effort. Now, here's the simple way to choose. So if you actually enjoy cooking or you want dinner to feel more like a normal home routine, HelloFresh is usually the better fit. You still get that home-cooked result, you just don't have to plan the meals or run to the store, and it tends to make even more sense once you're cooking for two people or a family. And if your main goal is saving time, Factor is the better fit. You're paying for the convenience because everything is already cooked, portioned, and ready in minutes, which is perfect for long work days, training weeks, or any time you're trying to stay consistent without falling back on takeout. Now, one really practical approach is mixing them. So you can use HelloFresh on the night you actually want to cook and enjoy, and you keep Factor in the fridge for the night you just want something easy that still feels like real food. So hopefully you found this comparison helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions about which plan makes the most sense for your schedule, or how to keep the weekly cost predictable, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.